It's the loudest sound. When the heart knows what it wants and makes it known. So I'm leaving this town, 'cause it's the season that changes all things into gold. But who am I to leave where I'm from, when the rear view facing west holds all I love? And before me is October, where I might become my own fall, but might never know my cards till I call. Deep in the lion's den, I've noticed autumn holds a difference in the east. It's made up of different reds, that color's bold but just a lonely shade of dream. But who is I to leave where I'm from, when the rear view facing west held all I love? And before me was October, where I might become my own fall, but might never know my cards till I call. This is my loudest sound, and it's meant for no one but my loved ones in the West. I'll aim to make you proud on a southern stage lit by the lights, doing what I do best. Oh, who is I to leave where I'm from, when the rear view facing west held all I loved? And before me was October, where I might become my own fall,